178, Render Tiles, Part 4. In shader source fragment number 5, we have changed the commentary for this block of constants and added 2 new ones. Further down, we have this lookup table for the tile size exponent to the bitpack tile value. This is a temporary lookup table, a non-zero bit flag, or bit cluster, I guess. This loop was wrong. It is now 7 to 1 with the off by 1 variable. And then we do the correction here, because before this was an infinite loop, and we fixed that. Once we get the tile value from the texture, it is inside of a RGB value, and we need to take these RGBA bytes and pack them into a U32. Then we're going to use the non-zero flag here and smash it together with the value we just calculated. We're going to get a simple yes/no for the output for now. If we do have a tile value somewhere on that sample chord, we're going to output this, which is going to strobe between gray and white. Otherwise, we do the empty color, which will show up as nothingness if we composite correctly. So the output will either be the strobe color or the empty color, depending on if we have any information at all at the sample point. Here's where we're going to get the different geometry bomb and fada layers from the function we were just in, and we'll do the compositing in the next video. What we did previously, footnotes, and what we did in this video. You have been on this playlist. I'll go into more detail on this playlist if you want to go here. You can get the source code here. You can email me here. This has been video number 178. Like and subscribe.